Hey Byrdie, Christian Wood here, celebrity hairstylist, and these are my 5 just things.
Just 5?
Just 5, see I knew it. Up. My #1 product in my kit is this Wella Stay Firm Hairspray. If I could only use one product for the rest of my career, it would hands down be Hairspray. I think most people just think of it as a finishing product to hold the hair in place, but I use this when I'm blow drying hair on the roots because a lot of root lifting products or thickening products can be quite tacky in the hair. You spray a little bit of this in, you blow dry, and you can use it to take away flyaways, you can use it to add shine. It's a really versatile product. And when I'm on set, all makeup artists steal this from me because they like it for brows. My brows go downwards, so I like to give them a quick brush in the morning with a little bit of this product on, and it lasts all day. And I do it every morning, so I feel like Joan Crawford. I could take a little nap right now. So my second product that I am in love with is Slip Silk Pillowcases. The reason I love this is because most people don't take care of their hair when they go to bed. They spend hours doing their beauty routines and it has 12 steps and all these things, and then they'll just leave their hair and they'll wake up and it's a bird's nest in the morning. Whereas when you sleep on a Slip Silk pillowcase, it creates a lot less drag on the hair. So basically your hair's not going to be as knotted or messy in the morning. So when you wake up, it's easier to style. You have less split ends. It's more manageable. It keeps color lasting longer. And it also takes, I think, 70% less residue of product off your skin. So #1, you don't wake up with like deep crease lines and you just all around look more beautiful. What more could you ask for? Okay, so my third product is this company called Hims, and it's basically a range of products that's designed to stop hair loss and keep hair and skin and nails in working order. So basically these are biotin, and you take 2 of them in a day. Honestly, they taste like candy. Sometimes I like to take about 4 when I'm cheating. They taste so yummy, and it's just good to know that something from the inside is working. I shouldn't put them in my mouth. The problem with taking vitamins or vitamins, depending on where you're from in the world, it's that you take them for a month, you run out, it takes you another 3 weeks before you get them again, whereas this, they send you them in the post every single month, so you never run out. And I think it's really important when you're looking after your hair or your skin or your nails, that you have consistency with what you're taking, and also that you take it every single day. As a hairdresser, I love to do way more simple textured hairstyles or just simple glossy hairstyles. And I think when you add an accessory into hair, it's instantaneously glamorous. This one, this red leather piece, you can sort of like wrap it around a ponytail, create like some cool little, detail in the hair, and I think it just elevates everything. Say for a red carpet do, I love these like sparkly accessories. And these ones are really special to me. They're these beautiful glittery stars, and I used them on Catherine Langford for the Golden Globe Awards about 2 years ago. And it just looked so beautiful, and it was such a simple hairdo and so easy to do, but it really gave a wow effect and a punch to the overall look. So last but not least on my list is these 111 Skin Black Diamond Eye Masks. I use these every single day, which I don't know whether you're supposed to, but my biggest problem for me personally is my under eyes. It's a hereditary thing, it's something I'm self-conscious about, so they're just these 2 black little pads, and you put them underneath your eyes, and they actually work. And I think that's half the problem with beauty products is you put them on, you take them off and you don't see results. With these, you see results. Well guys, thank you so much for watching. These were my just 5 things. And if you have any questions at all about the things I've used or anything in general, please DM me at cwoodhair and I will answer all your questions.